Hola, hello, hi, buena gente, ¿qué tal? Espero que todo bien. And in this video, I would like to speak in English, and we are going to learn about the verb in Spanish because they have three forms of verbs, right? Ar, ir, er. Let's say ar, r. Even in Indonesian, in my country, we always say the really strong r, ar. Okay, can you make it? Ar, right? So here we go. And in my previous video, we already learned about how to change or how to conjugate the pronouns, every single pronoun in Spanish, whether they can be used in estar or ser, in the fixed condition, to refer the locations, la ubicación, and then many terms, right? So you can check the previous one, okay? And then here we are. I want to pick a one verb, regular verb, because to conjugate the irregular verb in Spanish, they have different way too. So we gotta learn the basic one first, because in Spanish, infinitive verb, it means to speak, or amar, to love, comprar, to buy, right? Estudiar, to study, right? And then we gotta conjugate, as you can see in the table, like yo hablo, tú hablas español, yo hablo inglés, por ejemplo. Él, ella, usted is like compound, right? We can compound them and then make the example. Él, ella, usted habla árabe, por ejemplo, right? Nosotros hablamos francés, por ejemplo. Vosotros habláis alemán, por ejemplo. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan indonesio, por ejemplo, right? So, and then we have another verb here. Let's say comprar, to buy. It's colloquial word to say in Spanish, right? So, yo compro un coche, por ejemplo, o un carro. So in Spain, they say to refer a car, it's coche, but it's close to English carro in South America, right? And then tú compras las frutas, for example. You buy the fruits, right? And it's plural. And then él, ella, usted compra las manzanas, for example. It's like the apples, right? And nosotros compramos la casa. We buy a house, okay? And then vosotros, it's like no fee. Vosotros compráis.
A few inches later.
Vosotros compráis los libros. You buy the books, okay? Ellos, ustedes compran las vitaminas, ¿vale? And the other word, you can choose estudiar. It's like the same with English, like study, estudiar. Yo estudio alemán, for example. Tú estudias la ciencia política, for example, the politics science. We can pick in another verb like that is really common to speak, to use in Spanish conversation, right? Let's say amar, to love, cantar, to sing. So you gotta write down in your book, in your notebook, how to conjugate all of them. And in AR verb, there is an exception. It's irregular verb in Spanish, the R form. We can pick a word jugar, to play, or empezar, to start. So here's the way of conjugations of this verb, irregular verb of R. And then juego, it will change like yo juego, tú juegas, él, ella, usted juega. But in the nosotros and vosotros, it will be the same with the regular verb, okay? Jugamos, jugáis, juegan, ¿vale? It's like the verb like this, like the L form, that you can remember how to get them, right? So I hope that this is enough for today to know how to conjugate the R verb in Spanish, and then the rest we have er and ir verbs, okay? Yeah, that's it. That's all of the video today of how to conjugate the R verbs in Spanish. Hope you like it and you learn much from this moment, from this video. And thank you for watching, and then you can share to your friends who want to learn Spanish. Please like and subscribe too. If you have questions, you can put down below in the comment box. And muchísimas gracias y hasta luego. Bye. See you in the next video.